Right now, you are paralyzed. You've got the wallpaper you love, you've got the furniture you paid too much for, and you're terrified. The furniture and the wallpaper are going to fight each other. You're waiting for some perfect moment of inspiration that isn't coming. Stop waiting. Perfection is a fairy tale. Excellence is a choice. My name is Yolanda Brooks, your wallpaper consultant and interior decorator. And today we are killing the confusion. I'm giving you the no BS science-backed framework to matching your furniture to your wallpaper. We're talking undertones, the 60-30-10 rule, and the star versus supporting actor strategy. By the end of this video, you're going to stop being a spectator in your own home and start being the CEO of your space. Every room needs a hierarchy. If your wallpaper is a loud floral or botanical masterpiece or a bold geometric, it is the star. Your furniture, that's the supporting cast. Think of it like sports. You can't have two Michael Jordans on the court at the same time if they both want the ball. If the wall is loud, the sofa needs to pipe down. Go solid, go neutral. Use high quality textures like velvet or linen, but keep the pattern out of it. When your eyes have too many places to land, your stress levels spike. You can't relax in a room that's screaming at you. If the wall is busy, make the furniture calm. Balance is how you win. But unless you are an expert at balancing patterns in colors, like pattern drenching, stay neutral. Now, if you're struggling to see the colors clearly, stop guessing. Here is the professional shortcut. Take your sample to a shop where a pro can scan it. They can give you the exact digital codes for the background and the patterns. This is data over drama. Once you have those codes, you can match your paint and furniture fabrics with 100% accuracy. It's not cheating, it's being smart with your time. You want the secret sauce? Here it is. 60-30-10. This isn't just a suggestion, it's the math of beauty. 60% is your main color, your wallpaper. 30% is your furniture, your sofa, your rug, your bed. 10% is your pop, the pillows, the art, the small decor. The pro move? Pull that 30% furniture color directly from a minor detail in your wallpaper. That is your sofa color. When you pull a whisper from the wall and make it the shout of the furniture, the room looks like it was designed by a genius. It looks intentional, and intention is everything. Let's talk about the alternative. Using dark furnishings. Some people are scared of dark furniture, but don't be. Dark furniture is your grounding tool. Use dark charcoal, deep navy, or forest green for your base pieces, like your sofa or your bed frame. Why? Because it anchors the room. It gives the wallpaper a foundation to sit on, so the wall doesn't look like it's floating away. Then use light colors, creams, pales, whites for your elevated pieces. Put light colors on your curtains, your pillows, and your lampshades. Light colors at eye level draw the eye up and keep the room from feeling heavy. The formula: dark on the bottom to anchor, light on the top to breathe. It works every single time. So listen, you can't get the colors right and still lose if you ignore the temperature. If your wallpaper has warm, creamy undertones and you put a cold blue-gray sofa in front of it, it's gonna look dirty. It's going to feel like the room is vibrating in a bad way. Take your wallpaper sample into the morning light. Is it warm or cool? Your furniture must match the DNA. Warm wallpaper loves walnut and oak. Cool wallpaper loves black, silver, and ash. Don't mix the bloodlines unless you want a room that feels like a conflict. Look, your home is the headquarters of your life. It's where you recharge, where you build your dreams, and where you raise your family. Don't let the fear of a mistake keep you living in a space you don't love. Use the 60-30-10 rule. Match the temperature. Decide who is the star. If this gave you the clarity you needed, smash that thumbs up. It helps us reach more people who are stuck. And subscribe, because we're dropping these knowledge bombs to help you succeed. And before you go, I've got 2 things for you. Take my design quiz at the link below just to find your true style. It just takes 60 seconds. And grab my over 80-page ultimate wallpaper guide while you're there. It's 100% free value. And I'll see you in the next one.